What's that dude? What's that dude that be viral on Facebook? Period. Shamar. I forgot what he be saying. Boo boo. You could never. You could never. You could never. You could never. Honey, cause you could never. Cause you could never. You could never. Cause you could never. Sis. You could never. You could never. Never. Beautiful people, it's your girl Florinda LaShay, and I am back with another video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to drop me a comment down below and let me know that you were here. Also, if you are not subscribed, what you waiting on, sis? What you waiting on, sis? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and help your girl out. I need 1K subscribers and I'm halfway there, y'all. I'm halfway there, y'all. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button, y'all. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So this particular hair, y'all, I got it from my local thrift store. So I did like this big old thrift store haul or whatever, and I'll insert some clips of all the different hair that I got. And I chose these 3 faux locks.
One, because I didn't have enough of one or the other to do a complete style.
So I took all 3 different types and I combined it to create this style that you see here. So I have some faux locks, you know, some gypsy locks that's loose at the end. And then I also have some faux locks that's not loose at the end and it's like a brownish color. And then I also have some solid black ones. Okay, and it's 2 different type of textures with these chokers too. So I have like a silkier texture mixed in with the more of a kinkier texture. And the black ones are actually longer, y'all, than every lock. I'm gonna give you guys a 360 so you can see what your girl working with. Bam! Wait, let's do that again. Wait. Wait, let's do it again. Bam! She cute. You see it? You see that side swept? Because I can't keep my head up straight. I gotta lean my head over to the side like this the whole time. That's the look that I was going for, this one. And I think we achieved that. The first thing I did when I got my hair, I gave it an apple cider vinegar rinse. And all I did was fill up my sink with hot water, submerge the hair in, and add apple cider vinegar to that water and let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I thoroughly rinsed the hair, let it dry completely, and it was soft and ready to install. Okay, when you're doing this step, do not agitate the hair too much. You want to let the hair soak. If you want to agitate it, just slightly run your hand over the water, but do not go through and scrub your faux locks, okay? Because you're going to end up making it real nappy and matted, and that's something that you definitely do not want. So this step should be very simple, and I would do this step the night before or 2 days before you actually get ready to install your faux lock. For drying, all I did was hang it over the back of my chair and put it in front of a space heater, y'all. I put my hand in front of a space heater. Now, don't leave your hair unattended in front of the space heater.
Cause you ain't gonna come back talking about I done burned up your house and your ass.
Dad, and leave some room in between the space heater and your hair. Don't be just putting the hair in the space heater like this.
Baby, it's plastic and fantastic. Baby, she plastic, fantastic, so she gonna be this.
Matter of fact, if you a little sketchy with stuff and you tend to kind of go, don't even use a space heater. Just turn on the...
Matter of fact, don't turn on nothing. Just do this 2-3 days before and just let it air dry, child. Just let it air dry, let it drip dry, and it'll be just fine, okay?
But I think it's really, really, really pretty. And even though it's all side swept to one side, I still can get a variety of styles out of it. And I will be showing you guys that in just a minute. Now, for the install process, I use a typical crochet method all over my head. My neighbor is taking a bath, so y'all gonna hear that in the background.
Like this video so I can get me a house.
They have the blunt tips. Okay, you guys will see it was a little harder to actually open that loop up, so I had to stick the latch hook, had to slip the latch hook back and then feed the hair through the latch hook to install these. The curly ones, the loop opened up really, really large, so I could use my hand to install it. So the install method will kind of vary depending on what type of locks you pick up.
Child, this little piece of hair just want to show out for the video. She been hiding all day.
Where my hair is kind of sticking out, and that is because these are supposed to be individual, but I ain't know what I was doing, so I just went on ahead and crocheted that through there. Okay, so that's something that you guys kind of make a decision if you want to go for this type of look. Is, am I going to go ahead and, you know, add my twist or my braids to my actual braid pattern, or do I trust my skills enough? Do I trust my skills enough to go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, add these in as individually? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a variety of styles that I wear. Okay, starting off with this first one is just really, really simple. It's giving me like this punk edgy vibes. Okay, this is what she working with. Bam. Okay, in case you guys are wondering what it would look like in the middle part, this is what it looks like in the middle. I think it still kind of looks a little full, even with the whole side being missing deal. You can kind of still see that it's missing something over here, though.
Like, sis ain't have enough packs. Sis ain't have enough packs to fill in this side over here.
But, I think it blends in pretty good a little bit. Go to the other side. And see, you almost can't tell that I ain't got no braids on this side. So it kind of looks like a full head of hair once I move it over. Like this. You know, so I think that's actually pretty versatile. Now let's move on to the next style. I'm gonna show you what it looks like as a halfway, half up, half down style. And so you would typically do it the same way, like this. Okay, and then I would kind of overcompensate just a little bit in one direction, and voila. And this is what she looks like in a halfway, half up, half down ponytail. You know what I'm saying? I think it worked out pretty good, you know. Okay. So this is what she looked like halfway, half down. I mean, half up, half down. You know, I think it still looked pretty doggone good. Let me know what y'all think. Especially when I pull it all the way up and it's still super full. Okay, so now let's go to the next style, which is a high ponytail, and then I'm going to transition that into a bun. You know what I'm saying? I think that still works out, y'all. I think that still works out. I think that's cute. You know, got a little twist on the side like, hey. That's what it look like in the back. What she look like, y'all? What she look like? All right, so now let's transition this into a bun. One of the other things that I would definitely do is, if you're going for this particular type of style, is to make sure that you fill in your edges. And not these edges. The edges, the perimeter in the back and the sides. If you decide that you're going to wear it in a bun.
Oh, she did. All right, big girl.
All right. So this is what it looks like if you were to wear it up in a bun. What it look like, y'all? Do I need to fill it in some more? Because I feel like I need to add some more pieces back here. Like it's not providing. It's not
giving the full coverage.
So I feel like I need to add some more pieces back there, but I think the bun still works out well. You know what I'm saying? I think it still works out well. Pop that thing over to the side. This is a side ponytail. You can't tell me this ain't cute. Look at that. I think that is just too cute. You got it going all over to the side and stuff. Girl, that is just too fun and just too cute, okay? You can wear it in so many different ways. Like if I want to put a little hump, put a hump in your back and shake your butt. Hey, hey. Put a hump in your back and shake your butt. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go.
Bounce that up and down and go. Shake that till your head go. Okay. Shake it like a folk, shake it, stick it like a okay. Okay. Shake it, okay.
Well, we could put a little hump in on, you know what I'm saying? I don't really wear no hump no more, but you know what I'm saying? I used to wear the hump. At the hump, honey. But yeah, put a little bobby pin right there. I think that's cute. Actually, I might. We might reconsider on him. And we might be wearing a little hump. That's cute. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Girl. Oh, look at that. Girl. It's giving me early 2000s. It's giving early 2000s. Like, all day vibes. And I'm here for it. All right, beautiful people. Thank you for watching my video. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you would buy hair from the thrift store. Let me know, okay? And until next time, peace, love, and happiness. Bye-bye.